Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to solve the center pieces and the edge pieces of a 4x4. So let's get started in scrambling it. So now let's get started solving the center pieces. So first we need to memorize the color order. So first we will do the white piece. So first we'll make the white center. Like this we will put this centerpiece here by doing this and aligning it, and then we will put it to the side like this and then return it so it makes an L shape. If it has an L shape, make the other white piece to face the bar like this double, and then align it so it gets on the same place as the one block. So like this it gets here, and then we will just put it back and the white will be solved. So for the next we will pick yellow, and then we will make two bars or make an L shape. Here I will make two bars. So first we will push it away so we can make a bar, and now we'll align it just like this. This makes a bar. So to fix and make the centerpiece, we will first bring down the empty space like this, then flip the other bar to be here like this by F2, and then just fix the centerpiece, and then you will have a yellow center. Now let's make the first centerpiece of the side. So I will choose blue first. So here I have two blue bars, so I can just do this and the blue will be solved just like how I solved the yellow. And then for the red, I have this bar, I will just put it here by doing this, and then fix it back so the blue center is good. And then I will make a bar here just like how I did on the yellow side. Fix it here, align it here so it makes a bar. Then return the red bar, and then you will have two centerpieces. So here we have two bars. We will do any one of the centerpiece and the other will get solved automatically. So first we will align it horizontally, and then we'll pick one or two to do like this, and then it will make a bar. So after red it comes green, so you can do the same thing to make the bar. Now this makes all the center pieces, like here it is complete. So now we will start solving all the edge pieces. So first we will find a pair of edge pieces and then insert it on the top layer like this. If you have same edge pieces on the same side, you can do this algorithm: R prime, F, R, F prime, R, U prime, R prime, U. So these will get the same side. Now we will fix it on the top. Then locate another bar to be made. We don't have any same edge pieces, so we will take one from the top. So we will look. So here we have yellow, orange. So here we will take yellow, orange. So we can just take it out like this and then do the algorithm again. Then we will align the bar, make the bar, and then put this bar on the top. Then fix the centers. We have not made this one yet, so we will again take it from the top because we don't have any same. And then here it is the green yellow piece, so here it is a green yellow piece, so we will just align it like this and then fix it on the top, and we will have all the top edges solved. So now let us move on to the bottom layer. So first we will find any two. So here it is on the same plane, so we will do again the same algorithm and then fix it just like how we did it on the top layer. Then here it is again, do the same algorithm and fix it on the top layer. Here we have two. We can make a bar, then fix it on the top. Here we have it on the same plane, so we can again just do this. And here white, red, white, red, we make a bar. Do this and it is good to go. Now we will align all the center pieces, and now we will make any one of the faces and make these bars go up like this. This helps in aligning all the center pieces. So we have got a bar here, so we will first just do this, and now we have got a bar, we have got an eventual bar. We will do the algorithm and then fix it, and every edge piece is fixed. From here you can just solve it like a 3x3. So the 4x4 part is done. So if you like this video, thanks for watching. Goodbye.